Hi friends, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily levels. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. So let's start the discussion about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So in yesterday's video, we have discussed that if the market closes below this level, that is 70,650 levels or 70,700 level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,600 levels to up to the 70,500 levels. So even though our targets has been achieved in the Friday session, but there was no proper entry and exit points for the Nifty 50 because the market has opened almost very close nearer to our target points. So even though if we take a short position here at the 17,600 level, the market went up to the 70,550 level, and from there eventually it went up and it almost tried to close the gap, but it didn't close the gap completely, and from there because of the selling pressure and the market came down completely, and it has tested our final target, that is 17,500 levels. So even though the market has reached our targets on the downward side, we couldn't get proper entries and exit points. And second thing, if we trade in the lower time frame like that of 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then we can take proper entry points. But if you are trading in 30 minutes or like 1 hour time frame, then there is no proper entries and exit point in the Nifty 50 on the Friday session. So now this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50 for the Friday session. And coming to this tomorrow's analysis, if the market sustains above this level, that is 17,700 level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 17,800 to 17,850 levels on the upper side. But when we see on the lower side, we can see that the market has fallen up to the 70,500 level, and from there was an intense buying pressure from the lower side, and there was a greenish candlestick pattern on the Friday session at the end of the day. So we can expect a good rally up to the 70,700 level on the Monday session, and if the market closes above the 70,700 level, then we can expect a final rally up to the 800 to 850 levels on the upper side. And coming to the downer side, the 70,600 level will be acting as a good support point, and this 70,500 levels will be acting as a good support point on the extreme downside. So on the downer side, the market can fall up to the 70,500 levels on the downside, and this on the upper side 70,850 levels on the upper side. And if the market closes below the 70,500 levels, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,450 levels. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50 for the Monday session. And coming to the individual levels, on Friday session the market has closed at 70,617 level. If the market tries to move up, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a good rally up to the 70,711 level, and we can consider this level as a daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 17,805 level, and we can consider this one as an extreme target. So we all know that this extreme target can be achieved whenever there is a good momentum in the market, or we can consider this daily target as our extreme as our final target. So at this daily target only we can book the profits, and we can come out of the market or come out of the trading. If the market couldn't sustain above the 17,639 level or 653 level, and if the market consider these as a good resistance point, and if the market is reversing from these levels, then we can expect a fall up to the 17,598 level. And if the market closes below this level and sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,538 level, and we can consider this level as a good daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 70,458 level, and we can consider this level as an extreme target. So this when we compare our technical analysis and our individual levels analysis, these extreme targets and these daily targets are coinciding with the both this technical analysis and individual level analysis. So these levels will be acting as a good support and resistance point, and most probably the market will be moving within these two levels only, that is 7,805 level on the upper side and the 70,458 level on the lower side. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. Coming to the technical analysis of Bank Nifty, in Friday session, and we have discussed that if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 38,100 or 38,150 levels on the upper side. But if the market takes the resistance, this trend line as a resistance point, and the market reverses from this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 37,200 levels to 37,150 levels on the downer side. So even though the market has missed our final target of 37,150 levels by 50 points, it has almost reached our target points. So but even though it has reached our lower side targets, we couldn't get proper entries and exit point, because most of the traders take entry points once the 1 hour candle has been breached on the lower side or the upper side. So if you consider this lower this 1 hour candle, first 1 hour candle, this is the initial balance candle. So this was a very wide range candle and it was a very huge gap down opening, and it after opening gap down, the market sustained below this level only, and the market has came down up to this 13,200 levels in the first initial balance candle only. So when our target gets hits within the first 1 hour candle, then we can't take proper entries and exit point, and we can trade in this trading zone by taking the counter trend direction. That is, once the target has been hit, if the market is reversing from this lower levels, then we can take a long position from the lower levels, that is a support point. If we take short long position at the 13,200, we can consider this 13,150 level as our stop loss position, and if the market hits 13,150 level, then our stop loss will be hit, and we can come out of the trading session. Or if the market doesn't hit, then we can hold the position as long as the market moves up. So this is about the technical analysis for the bank nifty for the Friday session, and that happened at the same thing. The market has moved up, and the market has closed above this initial balance candle, and it went up to the 13,738 level, and from there the market has again came down, and it again tested this 13,200 level once again, and from there was intense buying pressure from the lower levels. So when we compare all these three candlestick patterns, that is this 115 candle, this 215 candle, and this 315 candle, and this is one kind of bullish candlestick pattern. This is a morning star candlestick pattern, and if we see even this is a morning star candlestick pattern, and even this is a morning star candlestick pattern, and if the market sustains, if the market closes or market moves above from this 13,738 level or 740 levels on the Monday's opening session, then we can consider buying, and we can expect a good rally up to this 38,150 to 38,100 levels on the upper side, and this level will be acting as a good resistance point. But before that, the market has to close above this 13,740 or 750 level, then only we can expect a good rally up to this 13,100 to 38,150 level, and this level is acting as a minor resistance point, and the market has to close above this level, then only we can expect a good rally in the back nifty. Or if the market takes the resistance point of this trend line and the market reverses from this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 13,200 or 13,150 levels on the lower side, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,000 level, and this 13,000 level will be acting as a good support point because of this round number and this emotional and psychological support point. This will be acting as a three-dimensional support point for the bank nifty on the Monday session. So this is about the technical analysis of nifty, bank nifty. And coming to the individual levels, so in Friday session the market has closed at 13,574 level, and if the market tries to move up, this 13,641 level will be acting as a good resistance point, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 13,860 level, and if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a good rally up to this 38,147 level, and we can consider this 860 level as a daily target and this 147 level as an extreme target. So if the market couldn't sustain above this level, and if the market reverses from this level, then we can expect a good fall up to this 13,512 level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,314 level, and if we can consider this level as our daily target, and if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 13,053 level, and we can consider this level as an extreme targets. And we all know that these extreme targets can be achieved whenever there is a good momentum in the market, or else we can consider this daily targets as our final targets, and we can book complete profits as and when these daily targets has been reached. So when we compare this both technical analysis and our individual levels, both this technical analysis levels and these individual levels are coinciding on the upper side and this lower side. That is 30,147 on the upper side and this 13,000 levels on the lower side. So most probably these levels will be acting as a good support and resistance point for the Monday's session for this bank nifty, and I hope the bank nifty will be moving or sustaining between these two levels only, and I hope we make a good profits for the Monday session. So friends, this is about the technical analysis of Nifty and bank nifty, and I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button to get the latest video updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.